we really thank God that our dream has come true. Because when we met as a family, we wanted something that would put our father's name on the map of Uganda. And we thought as a family, if it is possible, to donate land on which that stadium is built now and is named after him. That would be the greatest honor that Rujumba would have and his offspring. That is our humble request. Like you hear of Mandela Stadium and you hear of Kibua. If we have a Dr. Rujumba Stadium, that will be honoring Rujumba for what he did.